Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue and open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the application. Once you open the application, you should see the home page basically. Now tap on the profile icon, select the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro from the list of devices, and on this page tap on the notifications and reminders. And here we have couple types of notifications and reminders. The first one is incoming call. You can tap on it, and basically if you want to get the notifications about the calls on your phone, you can enable or disable the incoming call alerts. So if you enable them and somebody calls you on your phone, your watch will vibrate and display the info who's calling you. And you can enable or disable it right here. Also, if you enable it and you see this yellow message at the top, this means you need to allow certain permissions for the notifications to work. So you need to tap on this message, tap on allow, and keep tapping on it and allow until the yellow message is gone. Once it's gone, everything is allowed and the notifications should be working properly. And we can also customize couple settings. For example, we can enable or disable the option to display the contact info when somebody is calling you. You can also enable and disable the auto SMS reply, and you can tap on manage replies right here, and you can set up some of your own. You can edit the existing ones. If you want to add new one, you tap on add. Come on, you can type in the message, tap on save. And here we have it. If you want to edit the existing ones, you just tap on edit, I believe. Oh, the only thing we can edit is basically we can remove them. So you can tap on minus button to remove them, or you can move them up and down on the list. So you can press and hold on the sorting button next to one, and you can move it up and down on the list. Okay, so that's how you can edit them. You can't literally tap on one and edit the message, I don't believe. Oh no, you can. You simply tap on one and then you can edit the message. Never mind. Okay, so that's about the SMS replies. You can also set the delay for the notification. So for example, if somebody calls you on your phone, you can set the delay. So as you can see, it's 25 seconds after first ring. So somebody calls you, you get the first ring on your phone, the watch will wait 25 seconds until you get the notification on your watch. And you can change the delay to up from 5, I believe. Yes, from 3 to 25 seconds you can select. So select the one you like. Oh no, up from 3 to 30 seconds, my bad. And you can also enable or disable the delay right here by tapping on the switch. So that's about the calls. Next we have the app alerts. And here we can enable and disable the notifications for the applications on your phone. And as you can see, we have another yellow message. Basically, we need to allow more permissions. So you need to tap right here, tap on OK. It will redirect you to the notification access. Now scroll down, find the Zep application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow. And then when you go back to the application, you won't have the message anymore. And you can enable or disable the app notifications by tapping on the switch. If you enable them, you will see the list of applications installed on your phone, and you can enable and disable the notifications for these specific apps on your phone. You can customize it by tapping the switch, of course, next to the application. So if you want to have the notifications for the specific app, you need to tap on the switch to turn it, to flick it on. And if you don't want to have the notification for this app, you simply tap on it to flick it off. Also, you can enable or disable the option to notify you only when the mobile phone screen turns off. So if you enable this option, you won't receive the notifications on your watch if your screen is on your phone is active, so it's not turned off. Okay. We can also tap on incoming SMS for the messages, and you can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch. And we have also standing reminder and goal notifications, but that's not anything like important, I would say. Okay, and once you're done customizing your notification settings, you should be able to receive the notifications now. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got the message on our phone, and we also got it on our watch. You can tap on the bin icon to remove it, you can press the side button to skip it, and then you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notifications menu, and here we have our notifications. And you can swipe right, then tap on the bin icon to clear it, or tap on it to read it like this. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.